Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 9 Economics Chapter 2 People as Resource, and in this video we will learn every point in the section Unemployment Part 3. This comprises 15 questions. Question 1. Unemployment leads to dash of manpower resource. The options are holidaying, idling, wastage, chance of upskilling. Your time to choose. And the answer is wastage. So, unemployment leads to wastage of manpower resource. Question 2. Because of unemployment, people who are an asset for the economy turn into dash. The options are an unproductive asset, a liability, a productive resource, a political force. Your time to choose. And the answer is a liability. So, because of unemployment, people who are an asset for the economy turn into a liability. Question 3. Because of unemployment, there is a feeling of dash among the youth. The options are enthusiasm, renewed vigor, revenge, hopelessness and despair. Your time to choose. And the answer is hopelessness and despair. So, because of unemployment, there is a feeling of hopelessness and despair among the youth. Question 4. Because of unemployment, people do not have enough money to dash. The options are support their family, give as donation, eat good food, send children to school. Your time to choose. And the answer is support their family. So, because of unemployment, people do not have enough money to support their family. Question 5. Inability of educated people willing to work to find gainful employment implies a great dash. The options are social victory, economic strategy, social waste, economic achievement. Your time to choose. And the answer is social waste. So, inability of educated people willing to work to find gainful employment implies a great social waste. Next question, 6. Unemployment tends to increase dash. The options are economic overload, peace and joy, social strife, law and order. Your time to choose. And the answer is economic overload. So, unemployment tends to increase economic overload. Next question. Because of unemployment, the dependence of the unemployed on the dash increases. The options are neighbors, working population, government subsidy, A, B and C. Your time to choose. And the answer is working population. So, because of unemployment, the dependence of the unemployed on the working population increases. Question 8. Because of unemployment, the quality of life of dash is adversely affected. The options are the individual, the society, A and B, the family. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, because of unemployment, the quality of life of the individual and the society is adversely affected. Question 9. Because of unemployment, a family has to live on dash. The options are a pittance, a relative's earning, government handouts, a bare subsistence level. Your time to choose. And the answer is a bare subsistence level. So, because of unemployment, a family has to live on a bare subsistence level. Question 10. A family on bare subsistence level because of unemployment undergoes a general decline in its dash. The options are social standing, financial position, health status, bank balances. Your time to choose. And the answer is health status. So, a family on bare subsistence level because of unemployment undergoes a general decline in its health status. Question 11. A family on bare subsistence level due to unemployment undergoes a rising withdrawal from the dash. The options are job market, school system, workforce, voters list. Your time to choose. And the answer is school system. So, a family on bare subsistence level due to unemployment undergoes a rising withdrawal from the school system. Question 12. Unemployment has a detrimental impact on the dash. The options are state of the nation, exports of the country, overall growth of the economy, film industry. Your time to choose. And the answer is overall growth of the economy. So, unemployment has a detrimental impact on the overall growth of the economy. Question 13. Increase in unemployment is an indicator of a dash. The options are weak government, poor population, depressed economy, foreign hand. Your time to choose. And the answer is depressed economy. So, increase in unemployment is an indicator of a depressed economy. Question 14. Unemployment wastes the resource which could have been dash. The options are gainfully employed, exported, sold, disguised employed. Your time to choose. And the answer is gainfully employed. So, unemployment wastes the resource which could have been gainfully employed. Last question. If people cannot be used as a resource, they naturally appear as dash. The options are an unused asset, disguised employed, seasonally unemployed, a liability to the economy. Your time to choose. And the answer is a liability to the economy. So, if people cannot be used as a resource, they naturally appear as a liability to the economy. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section Unemployment Part 3. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Unemployment Part 4. I'll see you there.